How to avoid tolls and highways in Apple Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to avoid the tolls and highways by while traveling using the Apple Maps? Then you're in the right place. For that, you'll need to head over to Settings and then go to the search bar at the bottom and search for Maps. Open it up, scroll down, and you can see directions option, tap on driving, and you can see avoid. There is tolls and motorways, so just toggle it on. Now Apple Maps will automatically avoid tolls and highways while showing the directions to you. So it's as simple as that. Have You can have a very happy traveling without any tolls and highways. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.